Hey guys, you're doing a 24-hour heart rate variability measurement, so you need to take note of all of your activities throughout the day and send me this protocol as an XML file via email. Yeah, so I will be able to put it into the data and calculate all the results according to your activities. So how I will show you what kind of app you need, how you send the protocol, and everything you need to know about. So let's get stuck in. First of all, you need the so-called Biosign Protocol App. So if you're a Mac user, iPhone user, you need to go to the App Store. If you're having anything else, you need to go to the Play Store. I already got it here. The upper left one is the Protocol app. And once we get into it, then we have on the upper left side show categories. These are the main topics: eat and drink, mobility, peace and relaxation, stuff like that. And once we get deeper into it, for example sports, then we have the next part of categories. These are all categories out of the big topic sport. And if you don't find yourself, then in every single category you have the so-called other, and then you can type in by your own what you're doing. So I'm a little bit too fast, so let's get back. The new protocol normally is empty. If not, you can delete everything and start with a new protocol. And it always starts at the time you're starting it, actually. So if it's a little bit in the past, you have to change the clock while saving it. The rest is pretty simple. You don't need to sign up, you don't need to send your email, you don't need to put in any data like name, birth date, or whatever. It's just getting your protocol, makes an XML file out of it, and you can send it. So let's get started. Activities, we start with doing a video podcast. So this is kind of work. And under work, I don't see video podcast. I see telephone call, meeting, stuff like that. So I take other. Once I'm in the next screen, upper part under name, please enter name. This is where I can put my other. So it's like a video podcast. Then I can put a comment or not, doesn't matter. Starting time, very necessary. When do I start it? So let's say 6:30 p.m. and I will do it for an hour. So we'll be up till 7:30. Remember the 7:30 because it's necessary for the next part, because it makes it much easier. Beyond the duration, we have a rating, which is like, how do I feel? How much tension do I have right now? Am I very stressed? Then it's more like -10. Or am I completely relaxed? And the best relaxation ever is like +10. So you can tell me via putting any number in there how relaxed you are or how tensed you are. Beyond that, we have persons. So if you have an A, it's like, I don't know how to call it. If you're alone, you put alone. If you're two of you, then put two for two. And if you're in a group, or for example in the family, then put group. I'm alone, right in front of the camera, and I am saving it right now. So that's my first part in the new protocol. The next part, once I get to activities, and after that, whatever, we'll do sports, I will do running, then it automatically starts at 7:30 p.m. because this is when the last activity ends, so nothing to think about that. And I will run for an hour, then it's 20, whatever, 30. And again, I can tell how stressed I am if I'm running with a friend of mine. and save again. So you're filling in every single activity which is less than 10, I'm sorry, more than 10 minutes. So ignore everything which is less than 10 minutes because it's just a too short time to really get valid data out of it. So everything which is more than 10 minutes is useful to calculate in the results. Everything which is less than 10 minutes, just forget about it. Put it either to the first or to the second next activity, or just leave it like it is. You no need to make a protocol more than necessary. So you're typing yourself throughout the day. Then if you said, oh, I wasn't running, I did something completely different because it started to rain and I wasn't running, then you can get into this activity and press on the downer left side the minus button to be able to just delete it. It asks you, do you really want to delete it? Yes, I want. And then it's just out of the protocol. Very simple, looks simple, is simple. And then you can save it on the down the right side, and it gives you a name. Just leave it as it is, just press OK, it's saved, and then you can share it upper right side, the button, and then you just send it via email. So share button, once again, share button, email, and then you can just send me this file and I can put it in. So that's very easy to use, easy to download, no sign in necessary, no data except your activities, and therefore have fun, fill it out, send it to me, and we are talking about the results once I calculated these, and we'll either meet online or we see us in person. All the best for you. Have a good day.